Hi guys, it's Julie coming to you from the Beachside Reno. I just wanted to come and give you a quick update. It's been sort of slow progress here with a few tradies, just the busyness of everyone and the scheduling basically, and a few shortages of supplies. But the exciting thing is that the tiler has been having a really good go for about the last 5 days of tiling with no one else around, which has been really good. So you can see the ensuite, although it's very small, this was the problem area when we started because it had a dropped ceiling in here at eave height. So when you walked in, it's a very small space and you just felt like you're in a cupboard rather than an ensuite, and definitely not a selling feature. But now we've raised the ceiling height and we've put it on the pitch of the roof rather than just following the eave height. So that's made all the difference as you walk in, and I'm really excited about that. So we've got the matte white wall tiles to ceiling height in here, and the nice terrazzo look soft floor tiles. Got a nice little window in there, which is currently a fixed pane of glass, which we will be hopefully changing to an awning window so that you can get a bit more ventilation into that small space. The laundry is looking good, floor tiles are down. We just doing skirting tiles around, so it'll just be painted, fairly simple, but we'll be getting a bit more we'll get some cabinetry in there was none. So trying to add to the storage space in the house, so that will help. So we certainly didn't need to spend money on wall height tiles. And then the bathroom is looking good too, just following the same theme with the matte white wall tiles. We're doing these ones at half height so that they're like splashback height behind the vanity, and then we'll just paint above. That saves having to redo the cornice at the top with full height, and it's not really necessary. There'll be a big mirror there anyway, and it will be looking good when it's all finished. So all in all, we are making progress. We'll be getting the kitchen cabinets delivered at the end of the week, and then on the weekend they'll start being installed as well. So then we'll really start to see things coming together, and then the painters will start probably outside next week and then inside the week after. So that's just a small little update. We've had a few things. We've found some interesting stuff in the ceiling space which we need to get rid of so that the next buyer isn't stuck with a whole heap of crap up there. But these houses always bring their own little challenges, and it's coming together nicely now. Okay, until next time, I'll see you later.